Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you empty trash on iPhone. So guys, to empty trash on iPhone there are some ways that you can do it. So at first go to photos. After going to photos you need to scroll down and here you will see recently deleted. Just click on recently deleted and delete all of your recently deleted photos. Just click the top right select and click the bottom right this three dot icon and click on delete all and just click on delete from this phone. By doing this your photo trash will be deleted. Now go to your mail and click the top left the mailboxes. Here you can see trash. Click on trash, click the top right edit and after that just click the top left select all and click the bottom right delete. Click on delete all. Again go to your settings, scroll down and go to Safari. Again scroll. Here you can see clear history and website data. Click on it. You can select the date and after selecting the date click on the bottom clear history. By doing these things your iPhone junk will be cleared and you can just clear trash. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.